What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today I got another fire skipping tutorial for you. One for the beginners, people, right? We're gonna be doing a southpaw with a bit of footwork. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button as well now, because you know it's already gonna be fire. And I want you guys to hit the links down below and grab yourself the most in-demand skipping ropes on the planet, hands down. We ship worldwide and we're also available on local Amazons right now. As you know the drill, people, 2-minute tutorials. I usually go over the time limit, but you're gonna get a ton of value. And this one is all about making sure that you guys can stay coordinated and work on your footwork and work on your timing. And also just look a little bit slicker in the gym, all right? Like sometimes it's not all about the double unders and the double under crossovers and all the high power moves, yeah? Sometimes you just need to switch it up and just look nice and neat and smooth, right? So this move, right, as you've seen from the clips, is the southpaw. Now the southpaw kind of looks like this, and in today's kind of video, I'm going to teach you how to get this footwork down where we're opening the rope from one side and we're just doing a little knee lift on the opposite side, okay? Now it works on your coordination, works on your kind of balance and your timing. We're just going to be here, okay? Now, when you do it at speed, okay, it starts to look nice. Most people when they're starting southpaws, for example, let's say you're a beginner here and you're kind of at this point as a southpaw, sometimes you try a little double under, looks nice, but sometimes you just got to keep it on the floor, your feet on the floor, and just let the legs kind of work in tandem with these southpaws. So the drill is this, okay, peeps? I want you to focus on one side only with your opens. I'm going to go to my left, and we're just going to hop these knees up, yeah? The right knee is going to come up. We're going to time it. Let's go slowly, like this. Okay, that is literally the move, but exaggerated. So it's left, and then as you come to open the rope, so we're hopping twice on the one leg, so my left leg, open. As you open the rope, we drive this knee up, get a really nice burn on the lower abs, and at the same time, when you come to now doing that quicker, it's just going to feel like a little pop, like that. Here, pop the knee up, start to get the aesthetics. So once you've got the one side done, your good side will probably be the best place to start. Here, we're sort of building up those muscles around the knees. Obviously the calf's getting a good burn, the quads, and you want to stay in the same position. Then you're going to go to your weaker side, and the weaker side looks like this. Now, this is going to take a bit of time to get used to, but once you get the weaker side looking hopefully exactly like the left side, then when it comes to now piecing it together a little bit quicker, it's going to look like this, right? Just exaggerating the movement, keeping it slow. Don't forget your breathing. And this gives you some nice, effortless looking kind of move, right? Now, when people see it, it looks easy, and that's what we're trying to achieve as always, right? We're trying to make this thing look effortless. It's not easy, right? We're trying to make it look effortless and smooth, so then when you come to then getting a little bit quicker with it, just pop the rope open, and then just drive those knees up. And what I like to do as a little bonus, probably gone over the 2 minutes, but as a little bonus, I like to sort of shift a little bit back and then a little bit forward. It's always been my sort of style where when I do a little side swing, for example, you see, I'm just kind of a little bit backwards here, a little bit forward. I tend to kind of just use a little bit more of this mat by just moving forward and back. So then when you pop it here, I'll just jump a couple of steps back, get back into position. Yeah, gives a little bit more dynamic movement into this whole move. If you're not sure how to do the actual technical side of the southpaw, go check my tutorials, got loads and loads on this move. This was about piecing together a little combo for the beginners, this little high knee combo, if that makes sense. But guys, remember, just to say thank you for keeping us busy, supporting, buying your ropes, buying your mats, buying our apparel. This brand wouldn't exist if it wasn't for you, and I want you all to remember that. So remember, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Got tons more tutorials for you, vlogs, everything, and we're going to keep you flying like bosses out there across the world as always. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.